Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. When 2x square negative 5x positive 4 is divided by x negative 1 times x positive 1, the resulting remainder is ax positive b, where a and b are constants. What is the value of a positive b? Okay, here we can solve this problem using division algorithm. That is a equals to b times q positive r. Okay, here a is the dividend, b is the divisor, q is the quotient, and r is the remainder. In this case, the dividend is this expression 2x square negative 5x positive 4. We can plug in this stuff for a over here. Okay, let me write it. That is 2x square negative 5x positive 4. And here b is the divisor. Here the divisor is x negative 1 times x positive 1. We can plug in this stuff for b over here. That is x negative 1 times x positive 1. And we don't have any stuff for this q, that is quotient. We can keep this q as it is. And here this r represents a remainder. According to the information, the remainder is ax positive b. We can plug in this stuff ax positive b for this r over here. That is for remainder. Let me write it. Now let's write the stuff on the left side as it is. That is 2x square negative 5x positive 4. Here we can multiply these two binomials. Let me multiply. X times x is x square. X times positive 1 is positive x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1 times q positive ax positive b. Okay, here this positive x negative x will become 0. Let me write 2x square negative 5x positive 4 equals to, so here we have x square negative 1 times q positive ax positive b. Okay, here 2x square negative 5x positive 4 equals to, we can distribute this q to this x square and negative 1. Then I'm getting q x square, q times negative 1 is negative q positive ax positive b. Okay, here 2x square negative 5x positive 4 equals to, okay, here qx square. Then let's write this ax positive ax. Then we can write positive b. We can write this negative q at last. Okay, here we have a quadratic expression. Here we have a quadratic expression. Since the two quadratic expressions are equal, the coefficients of like terms must be equal. So the coefficient of x square on the left side is 2. The coefficient of x square on the right side is q. So this 2 and q must be equal. So that is 2 equals to q. And also the coefficient of x on the left side, the coefficient of x on the right side must be equal. That is negative 5 and a must be equal. We get negative 5 equals to a. And the constant term on the left side, positive 4, must be equal to the constant term on the right side, b negative q. So that is 4 equals to b negative q. Our aim is to get the value of the expression a positive b. So for that we need the values of a and b. Here I got the value of a, that is a negative 5. Still we need the value of b. For that what we have to do is we have to plug in this 2 for q over here. So because here we got the value of q, that is 2. Okay, now let me plug in this 2 for q over here. Then I'm getting 4 equals to b negative 2. Let me add 2 to both sides of this equation. Then this negative 2 positive will cancel. I'm getting 6 equals to b. Okay, here I got the value of b, that is 6. Now let's get the value of a positive b. That is a is negative 5 and b is positive 6. When I combine negative 5 and positive 6, I'm getting 1. Okay, here I got the value of a positive b. Its value is 1.